Welcome to our foot massager showdown. Today, we're diving deep into two popular models, the COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager and the CuPiLo foot massager. Both of these devices promise relief from foot pain and fatigue, but how do they stack up against each other? We'll explore their features, including heat settings, vibration modes, and compression levels, to help you find the perfect match for your relaxation needs. Let's get started. Let's start with the price. The COMFIER Shiatsu foot massager is priced at $79, making it the more budget-friendly option. In contrast, the CuPiLo foot massager comes in at $89. While the CuPiLo is slightly more expensive, it offers additional features that may justify the higher cost for some users. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your budget and the features you prioritize. Next, let's look at the compression levels. The COMFIER model offers 3 adjustable levels of compression, which is decent but may not be enough for users seeking more customization. On the other hand, the CuPiLo provides 5 adjustable compression levels, allowing for a more tailored experience. This feature can be particularly beneficial for those with specific foot conditions, such as neuropathy. Finally, let's discuss the vibration functionality. The COMFIER model only provides vibration in the toe area, which may not offer full foot coverage. In contrast, the CuPiLo features 3 distinct vibration modes, ensuring better coverage and a more comprehensive massage experience. This could make a significant difference for users looking for thorough relaxation and relief. In conclusion, both the COMFIER and CuPiLo foot massagers have their strengths. The COMFIER is a great budget option with essential features, while the CuPiLo offers enhanced customization and safety features. Depending on your needs and preferences, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.